welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I am going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed, but not only am I going to be talking about it, I'm going to show you how to get this exact install step by step. If you want to find out how I got this wig to look exactly like this, continue watching. When we rewind. Today's hair sponsor is Junoda hair. I have installed a 26-inch 4x4 HD closure wig. This is in the water wave texture and she is beautiful. So nice. This is what the wig looks like after being plucked and also being bleached. Okay, so we're just gonna do pretty simple, straightforward install today. I think I'm gonna be styling this wig on the side, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I kind of shifted her over. I'm using ebon. So right now I'm gonna go in and I'm going to hide those little tracks. This gel works so fast, so you gotta be like really quick when you're using it. I'm gonna go in with the holding gel. happy with that. Now I'm gonna go in and just detail the hairline, make sure it's not lifting anywhere. I'm happy with that. Now it's just time to define these beautiful curls. Two things to finish off the look. We're going to condition it and then we're going to clean up the part, but it looks really good right now, but I think it can even pop some more. So I'm just using my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Smoothie. You guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that this is my favorite product to use. I'm going to go in with one of these curl brushes. They look like this. It's really gentle on your curls, but it also really helps define them. This is actually an eyeshadow palette that I use, and I like to use the lighter tones. You can use any eyeshadow palette that looks similar to these tones for your fake scalp. You just gotta make sure that it's like a matte color and it doesn't have sparkle. I don't like using anything else because I found what I like, so I stick with it. And you can see instantly, it just gives scalp. Like, I love this Tarte palette so much. And lastly, I like to go in with some hairspray. Definitely spray the line where it starts because you need that to be like blended in. Don't spray your forehead. That is pretty much start from finish. Now what I'm going to do off camera is let the wig dry completely. I don't want to disturb the curls too much, and then we're going to come back and close off the video and give my final thoughts. Recently, I've been practicing how to pluck the hairline. I did include some footage of that in this install, as you guys would have seen already. I plucked and bleached the knots on this wig, and this is what the hairline is looking like after I plucked her. It's giving very natural. It is so easy, guys, to over pluck a wig. If you don't know what you're doing at home, I would say watch some videos, and don't just watch one video and think you got it, you know, down packed, because there's actually a method to it. You really want to be careful because you can still go too hard and pluck too much hair out. I definitely recommend doing it wet. Sometimes when you're plucking it dry, it feels like you're not plucking anything and you keep plucking in the same sections and then you get a bald wig. So guys, I really do recommend plucking your units because it really makes a huge difference. This is what it looks like after being styled. The HD lace is very much giving HD, which I'm so happy about. Is a true HD for 26-inch curly. Like, she is giving a fullness, you guys. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing this closure wig as if it was a frontal, and you can definitely do that. I did a deep side part because I felt like the girls were gonna be angry if I didn't do a side part for you guys. I'm a classic middle part girl, but I like to switch it up every now and then, and it really turned out good. So I shifted the closure down a little bit on this side. So normally the 4x4 would be about here, but instead I put it here. So I kind of pushed the hair back on this style and then, you know, kind of left it face framing. And the hair does feel very soft. The curls look really nice on the ends. So beautiful. I love water wave texture. You guys know this. If you've been here for a while, you know, like, water wave is one of my favorite textures. I really love this unit. I love the density, love how full it is. And again, the lace is just beautiful on this unit. You don't have to hide the lace with some foundation or anything. This is what it's looking like up close, you guys. Look at her, so melted. And I did pick through her to make her look this full. If you don't want it this big, you can definitely just comb through it when you're styling it when it's wet and just leave it alone. If you leave it alone, it'll dry much flatter. So if you want this like full look, you just got to pick through it like this, and that's what I did. That's what I usually do. Sometimes I do it a little bit less, sometimes I do it a little bit more, but if you're gonna go big, you might as well go go there all the way, right? So that's what we decided to do today. I have actually nothing but good things to say about this wig. I'm actually really impressed with it, so it definitely gets a thumbs up for me. Before I go, I really wanted to talk about the length. So the length is really important for me with curly wigs. Sometimes they give you styled length, sometimes they give you stretch length. If you guys don't know the difference between styled and stretch length, for me, stretch length is when you stretch the hair, how long does it go? So this is definitely a styled length 26. So as you can see, it's hitting me where a 26-inch would hit me naturally. So when you stretch it, it's even longer. I am definitely a fan of that. 10 out of 10 for me for that. Those are my final thoughts on this wig. I really like it. I think you guys would love it too. So don't forget to check it out before you go. The link's going to be in the description box for you. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do or giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.